Bunch of engines. Rock cars. Yeah. 5:23, I guess. Just in time, look like. That's some intermodal. There it goes. We'll have to wait on that train because it's here.
Green log car and blues.
Yep. This thing's going a whole wheel. That guy's trying to get right in your way. Here it comes. Utah Central. It's a long one. But it's parked. That was perfect timing. Football auto racks. Huh? Football auto racks. Yeah, throw it in. Steel. Scrap iron. That's all good. This looks like a Birmingham train. Birmingham to Mobile. They have about 5 inches in it. Here comes the end of it. Nope, that's not the end of it. It's tank cars. Big time mafia. Still more tank cars. Canadian National. Yep, there it comes. Yep, PINX. That's what Birmingham trains always has, those PINX toward the end. Amoco on the end. All right.